All right, so I think I'm live again. And yes, I am fucking losing, gambling bad. This is like the second trade. I think I'm down $600 already, man. I went short, thought I caught the bottom here, and look, you can see I didn't. So I was trying to play this counter trend crap that I keep talking about. And that's what happens when you're YOLOing. That's what happens when you're YOLOing out here in these streets, making a mess. Yeah, really, truthfully. This mug ain't doing nothing but going down. Look at that. I went short right there. I thought that was the bottom. I mean, I went long right there. I thought that was the bottom, but it can always go lower. Guess you should know that by now, right? So now what do we do? Let's see. What are we gonna do? Let's see. I'm on the 4 hour. Let's get this down to the 1 minute. See what the damage is. The damage is done. Look at that's terrible. I we had touched there and we was trending there. I was like, all right, so we pull back up. Counter trend trading is the worst. Not the best idea at all. Not at all. Because now what? Is that the bottom? Or is this? No, probably not. Probably going to be more downside. Definitely going to, man. Starting to get orders in, filling out at what? 23,970 now. So upside doesn't look good at all. 2,400 is looking like where it wants to go. 24,000, sorry. So it's definitely pulling down. So my counter trend trades have not worked at all. That's all I can say about that. And yeah, in the hole. In the hole a lot, son. In the hole a lot. See something. I was also trying to stream over here on TikTok and getting distracted with that crap. But that's not why. What happened is I just went in shitty positions. Definitely shitty positions. So 23,970 is looking like the new target to the downside. Let's get on the right side of history and start down at the bottom. What do I do always? I go long at the top and short at the bottom. Playing this one to 24. On to 24,000. That's our target. We got to climb our way out of this hole that we got dug ourselves into. Because I don't trade well. I'm a gambler. See what I tell you? That's short, and now we're going up. I should call this page "How to Lose Money." That's the only thing I can do is how to lose money. Lose money. Every trade, lose money. Lose money, lose money, lose money. Want to know how to make money? Follow somebody else. Don't follow me. Shouldn't follow me anyway, because hey, who knows what I'm doing? I don't know what I'm doing. 24,000, so 13 more points, 15 points. Get out of this. Downside, just hitting 24. Mhm. Right here. Target is 24,000. That's what we're looking for to the downside. So if you're over on TikTok, what's happening is I need to do three trades before I can, not three trades, but three lives before I can show my screen. So I'm just doing that now, and it's nighttime, so it won't matter. But right now, what I'm doing is trading NQ futures, giving the money up, getting a little bit back. I really want to go long here, like down here at the bottom, and see if I can capture this all the way back up to the upside. That would be so gangster. Right now, let's see, 24,000 is what we need. 14. We're bouncing though. We got short at 24.16. Yeah, so it's 24,000. That could be buy orders. It's a huge order lot sitting there. It'd be buys, maybe not shorts. But I'm right here at 24. Well, I'm at 24.16. Yeah, see. Of course, we're running back up. Yeah, it's just drifting. So again, what I was saying was I want to do a counter trend trade. I want to get one a long down here at the bottom. I was trying to get out of this trade first, but I want to get a long at 24,000 and play that all the way back up to the upside to like 25. That's what I would like to do. That's my dream. My dream is to get 1,000 point trade on one trade, and that's not working out because I keep screwing this up. All right, so that's one live on TikTok. I'm talking about. All right, so I'm gonna get off of that live now. Let's see. How do I do that? All right, so I'm gonna sign up this live. This is really just doing an experiment. See if I can get this TikTok live crap going. So how do I stop it now? All right, so let's see where we at. 25. I gotta learn how to use this TikTok live stuff. As you can see, I just got my logo up on TikTok. YouTube is streaming over there, watching me. Where are we at? I don't know. This might not work out like I thought. Okay, where we at? Let's see. 24, 22. Not going the direction that I would hope. All right, I'm gonna cancel this live that I'm on TikTok. This should count as one. Exit. All right, what's going on over here, man? We fucking the wrong way again. Now it's running back up. What I say? Short at the bottom, long at the top. Should I get it a little bit? That was just 14 points. That's already got away from me. One up to 52. You're looking for a pullback here. That was a pretty huge order right there, 35. So it's gonna be the one bust down to 24. I don't know. Looking like the 14's holding. Top wick. All right, I'm gonna try this TikTok live crap again one more time. I think it says I have to do three of them. So or I'm approved before it actually lets me go live in the studio. I gotta eat. I ain't ate nothing yet. This thing, it has me downloading the live studio every time, which seems stupid. Shouldn't have to do that every time. Yeah, this TikTok crap is not working on my side. 40, fuck. Tell you what, man. This is not looking good. I'm gonna have to claw my way out of this hole. This TikTok live, I was trying to stream to TikTok too, but this is too distracting. Yeah, it's not working. There it is. Okay. All right, go live. All right. Oh, wait. Yeah. All right. So live again. What I'm trying to do is get it where I can stream on both. That's what I want. And that's not what's happening. Bro, every trade I've entered so far has been a L. Okay. Because I'm counter trending, which is not smart, but what I'm gonna tell you what I'm trying to do. What I would like. I want to be in here at the bottom. And then wait, do I have an order in on this? While I'm doing all this yapping. Okay, I do 24,000. 24,025. All right, so I wanna counter trend this back up to the top side. Like that gap that should fill up at the top. Now, will that happen tomorrow? It ain't really much news going on, so maybe we come back and feel that. I mean, I don't know, man. The world, where everything's going, we might flush out some more. We could flush out some more. You know what I'm saying? You're back at 24.13, 24.12. Look for 24,000. Catch 24,000. That'll be a good trade. Won't be much to put a dent in this big L I got so far, but I ain't tripping over that really. Um, yeah. So I'm looking to get one down here like at the bottom and trade this and let that ride all the way back up to 24. Was that 24, 498, 24, 500? Like that gap fill. And that could happen, but when could it happen? Could it happen tomorrow or over the week? Either way, it'll be a $1,500 trade. That's what I'm after this trade. That's what I'm gonna do. Let me see. Matter of fact, let's see what's to the downside first. What we got? 23,970. We got 23,970 to the downside. 23,970. Let me see. What is that? 23,970. If I hold up for 23,970, I'm at 24,000. 23,970 would be. That's the next big level, big order block. Pull it down. I could go back in and catch it again, coming back down if we break through 24,000 and then come back up. All right, 24,002, one. All right, got us a small victory for the night. So 24,970, 23,970. That's 30 points. That's not a lot. Back to the downside. All right, let's see what we're gonna do. How are we gonna trade these next couple? Which catch one up to the upside. And we're gonna go at 14. Short is at 23, 10. Hit 10 and then probably pull back. All right, so what I said was this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a YOLO trade. I'm gonna go long at 24,000 at the bottom. We're at 24,010, and I'm gonna go long. Ready at 24,000. Oh, didn't even hit that. What is that? Get out of there. All right, so 24,000. So we're at 24,012, right? We went long, and we're gonna go to 24. We get out of 24. Or or should I YOLO it? Like hold that 24,012, and hold that to the upside to 24,000 500, which would be on that. Let me look at this 4 hour. What is that? That'll be at the beginning of this gap. That's 24,500. That'll be a 500. Yeah, we should try that. See, this is my problem. I'll be gambling too much. This literally is my problem, gambling. Or be gambling too much, man. All right, so that live right there, that's the second live. What I'm trying to do. All right, hit that trade. Let's go. Let's go. Nickel and diamond. So we're at 24,029 now. Chipping away. So what are we gonna do? Back down to the downside. Oh look, ran up. So catch this on the bottom. We catch 24,000. Like I said, 24,000. Come back down. Should come back down to 24,000. We could do a short here. Might run. Where would it run to? No, we're gonna pull back. We'll get this one ready. Get to. All right, whenever you buy market, I just want you to know that's always a shitty position. Well, what we're gonna do now? I can't believe I snorted when I just laughed. But what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna really live YOLO is. I'm gonna do 24,000. I'm at 24,035, right? And I'm gonna have this in for 24,500. That's what we're gonna play this. We're gonna play this to fill this gap. One trade, this to fill this gap, 24,500. And what would that be? Not enough. Cause I've been screwing the pooch all night. I don't know. I might let's see. Let me trade a little bit more. Sell that. All right, let's just trade a little bit. We're gonna trade a little bit before we do that because it's still early. It's 10:30. I'll do that before I go to bed. Do an upside. Yeah, get back to it. Dun, 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 dun. Nothing. All right, turn in. Go short right quick. Let's short it back down to the 14. There it is. 24, 26. I'm ordering for 24.30. I initially said 26 though. Might run up a little bit more than I thought. Yep. So what I'm playing, yo, I just need a little quick short. Pull back. Get to 14 right quick. 14's going up though. Which leads me to believe too that we're gonna fill that gap. One trade at a time though. I need to get through this one first. Yeah, I don't like that. Looks like I'm gonna miss this run up. Let's see if we get us a pullback. Ah, I don't like this. Come on now. Let me get back, pull back to the station so I can get on the train. Come on, drop some more. A little bit more. I mean, I like that it's up higher, but we needed to drop. Get this one. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Snatching, 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 grab. Get it, get it, get it. One more push down, one more push down. There you go. Let's go, let's go. All right, now back to the upside. Market. We're gonna go to 24.60. Oh, yeah, of course. 24.53. We'll keep it simple. Just do 10 points. I'm gonna give up on that TikTok live crap right now. Shit. A little too much, too distracting. I'll get back to it though. Let's go 53. We need 53. 7 more points. 10 more points. Whoa, that was a heavy drop. I might try a trade all night, man. And we're getting close, but no cigar. We need 24, 53. We have 47. 10 points. We need. Here's a bounce up. Should we move this up to 70? I'm gonna try and get a little bit more. Go to 60. See if we can get 60. Get some money out of this one. Not a lot of money, just a little bit. What does it say? No detected sound. Oh, I guess I'm looking at TikTok thing. All I'm streaming on TikTok is my logo, just so you know, because it won't let me get my streams up until I do so many lives or whatever. All right, got that. Let's go. Let's go. All right, so we're gonna short back down or we gonna stay long? We gotta let's see where we at. We at 24, 67, 70. So we'll go short right quick. Catch this back down to maybe what 24.50. Oh, that was a pretty good bounce. Really quick too. 24.50. Let's put one in for 24.50 right here. Let's get this. All right, we're running 24.70. Looking for this to pull back 2450. We get 2450 out of this. What is that? What am I at? I'm at 2465. 10 points. See if we drop down, pull back, when we come back up to the upside. Let's go. Make it a big violent drop. Should take that to 41. Uh, Keep it like we got it. Might be asking for too much on that 50 though. Let's see, it's gonna hit that 14. It's getting close. It's going up though. Curling over. Push through, push through. Come on, one more time. Touch it, touch it, touch it. Let's go. Yep, nope. One more push. Down, not up, down. Come on, boy. Ah, man, that's nasty. 2450 we looking for. It's gonna bounce. That's a nice bounce. Need 5 points down. No, 10 points, 15 points down. Come on, let's go. Let's get back down there to 50. Yo. Ah, I gotta play that 5 and 14. I gotta be quicker on this. Yeah, listen. Nope. Yep, that's good. Push down. This is it. Big push. Nope. What we got? Orders. Oh no, they starting to go back up to the upside. They're pulling up now. Shoot, I might get stuck on this one. Yeah, I don't want to be greedy. I'm gonna get out of this one right here. Put this. It's gonna be a little one because I think we get ready to run up if we pull back. Yeah, it's building support right here. I gotta go eat. This one hits. It hits. Shouldn't be eating this right, bro. Yeah, it looks like it's running away from me. Need one more push down, though. I need to get out of this one green. I don't want to get caught in it, though. Come on, pull back, catch some liquidity. Let's go. Drop. Drop, then bounce. Drop some more. I'm gonna eat me some lobster mac and cheese and some chicken wings, yo. Yeah, rich black people food. Red or green? The money machine? Damn, it pulled back, but not enough. Biggest sell lot coming in. 40, 24.40. Here we go. Let's push down. Let's go. Let's get it. Where's my order at? Jeez. I ain't even trying to get nothing off of this one. Up here like 19. What is that? 5 points? That's because it's slowly creeping up. It's going to 100. It's holding at 48. Yeah, it's going up to 100. I think I'm gonna miss this one. I'm gonna pull back some more. Let's go. Those could be sell orders up there though. Definitely going back up though. This is it right here. Push down. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. One more time. One more time. Give it to me. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right. Fuck it. Reverse. Shitty position. All right. So now we're gonna ride this back up to 24. Where we at? 24.74. We'll go to 100. Take it to 24. 130. Hold on a second. Let me see. Stop scrolling so much. 24.74. We'll take it to 24.100. Take it to 24.100. That's up there in like no atmosphere. Back to the upside, yo. Yeah. Man, chicken wings and lobster mac and cheese is so good. 140 coming up. I'm looking for 24 100, right? Let's go. I gotta figure out this TikTok thing, man. How to trade, how to show a screen. All right, that's three lines right there. And that one. Excellent. 34. Hmm. That's a nasty pullback right there. Hope it's to get some liquidity down here, 75, and pull back up. All right, God is good. Got that trade. Let's see where we at. Climbing out the hole slightly. So let's go back to the upside right quick. I'm good. Two. Okay, so we got two at 94. So now we're gonna play those up to 110, 120. Let's go to one second. Go to 130. Play it to the upside to 130. 120. We'll keep it at 100. 120. All right, let's go. I'm gonna do this one time. Obviously, I'm not gonna stop this TikTok. We'll try and get this live going. Again, my ultimate goal is to fill this gap back up to the top side. All right, so I think I'm live now on TikTok and on on YouTube, which is that's what's up. That being said, target now is 24,120 to the upside. That's what we're looking for. Um, and so far so good. Creating a bear bull flag right now. I'm pulling back a little bit. Probably should get that. Matter of fact, I think I'll do that next time it goes up. I'll just get out, catch that money, go back in again. Yeah. All right, we're building up. Let's see where we're gonna get out at 109. We're making us a little bull flag. This should be it right here. Bounce. Nah, we're pulling back too far. All right, back to the original plan. Let's see. Good side, bright side is that my order is holding. Let's see if we can recapture all of this. No, pulling back. That's not the bright side. Anyway, so I'm gonna go finish eating my food, man. I'm putting this order in for 120. 24 120. Let's see, let's go. Get up here to the upside. 24. Da, 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 right there. Sell those two. 24 120. All right, let's get it. All right, so it's dragging along again. Dragging along again. We are not making the move that we need. All right, here we go. Let's go. Looking for 120. We're at 103 now. 20 points. We need 17 points. 17 points trying to climb out of this hole we dug for ourselves. Being stupid early on. Because that's what we were doing. Being stupid. Let's get it. 120. 120 is the target. This time we're going to stay with it. Wait, did I put that order in there? Nope. 120. Get. Oh, come on, man. Quit scrolling. I got in there for 122. 122, 121. There we go. Let's go. All right. Nice. Nice. Next target up 142. Let's shoot for 142 now. Let's see. Pull back, bounce. Give us a bounce. What is 15? 10. All right, so we're gonna go now back up to the upside to 140. 140, 155. 140, 155. Let's go to 140. 145. Let's hit 145. See if we can get that. Get 100. All right, target 145. Should target 140 actually. Probably the smart thing to do, but we'll keep it at 125, 145. See how much pain we have to go through to get that though. Excuse me. I'm sniffling and snotting all over the place. So, all right, I got this live going over here on TikTok. But I don't know if I got it streaming to OBS through OBS. So that's what I got to figure out how to do that. So, Paul, cut that down. Look, we got caught up on the top side, so I was trying to figure out the stream crap. That being said, we're down now. Let's see. So where we heading to? Next target is probably we're at 24.98. True downside, man. We could get. We should come back up to 125. Get us a bounce. Move back up. Get back up to 125. 125 won't help us much. Second target would be 140, 150. 125 would be just 10 points. But it'll be green, won't it? Yeah. Jumped in too quick on that one. Probably need to play this from the. Hmm. Maybe I'll try some crossovers, like at the 5 crosses to 48 or whatever, and then do some shorts instead of what I'm doing. So I was playing a 5 and a 14. We're getting a bounce. Let's see what we're gonna get. This got us some liquidity. We get up to 125. Keep going. Get up to 150. Our target, our order is for 145. Let's go. Looks like it's selling me out. I thought I was gonna catch that move up. It's proving to be pretty difficult. So it's falling back down. We are heading back down to I don't know. It's hoping 145. It's a pullback, but not looking like it at the moment. A little higher low though. Still weak. Could go down to 85. Or could this be my line in the sand? Remember I said I was going to just go and trade all the way back to the upside. Trade go all the way to 500, 500 to the top of the move for the opening. We gap down at. Let's see what that would be. 24, 500. So just hold it all night or however long it takes. Matter of fact, that's what we're gonna do. No more trades for the night. We climbed out of the hole. I mean, it was literally down a G, now down 5. So stupid. But anyway, 24.5 will take me to, let's see, what did we get? What was the opening? 4 hours. 24, 24, 452. So 24, 400. Top of this was 24, 500 was the high. So 24, 480. So we're gonna keep these two and do 24, 480. How about that? YOLO. And this should play out over the next couple days or sooner. 470, 480, I said. 480. Right there. So we keep it at. All right, so that's our orders from the bottom to the top. Yeah, I know that's wild. And what probably gonna happen is it's gonna work, or it won't. It go the other way. I don't know. Either way, I'm gonna what am I gonna do? Mute the mic, go up the hall and watch me some movies. Because well, that's what I'm gonna do. Down 120 on this though. That gap down, that got me. That last play, and I'm tired of trading. I'm tired right now. Should I put a stop loss in? Heck no. YOLO, yo. All right, so where we at? We got this order here. This is our position. We'll come back and revisit and see where we at. All right. All right. Stocks 5150. So we put our YOLO order in and up to the upside. What we're looking for is targeting 24 479. So the top of the move, the top of the 4 hour move. Um, yeah. And that's gonna be overnight. We'll see if we wake up. If we wake up and it worked out, then we'll have a G. If we wake up and we didn't and it doesn't work out, then we'll probably be down a G. You know. And I could put a stop loss in. Yes, like maybe for 24,000. That might would be smart. Let's see. But smart ain't really what I be operating on. 24,100. Got some orders here, so we should be coming back up, making a move up. 120 to 145. Let's go. Yo, something bad just happened, or maybe something good just happened. I was down the hall and I had an order, heard an order, Okay, so I'm not in any active positions right now. So what did I just do? I thought I had put that in for, okay, so 24, 132. Huh. Okay, so 24, 132. So I guess I put that in for, what the hell is going on here? 24, 132 for 30. Okay, well, fair enough. I got out. I really thought I had that for the upside. Thought that's what I was shooting for, but maybe I wasn't. All right. That's the thing too, man. You gotta really be paying attention. Your brain be lapsing. I still got one order up here. What is this? That's that order right there. All right, cancel all sales. Okay, let's see where we at. We are going back to the upside, so we're gonna go long again. 24, 123, 124, whatever. All right, so we're back in again. We're looking to try to trade this again, like I said, back to the upside. So this time we'll go 24, 244. This will be the 20. This will be the one. Okay, so this will be the YOLO one. Or maybe we go 24. What is it? 24, 2. 24, 124. We can go 24, 170. Let's see what that is. 24, 170. Go up 50 points. This is 24, 355. Wait on the 5 minute. We're still below the 200. So we're going to trade this one back up to the upside. 24, 400. Well, no, 24, 150. We'll do that. 24, 1, 24, 150 to start. Not 156. 24, 1. Yeah, 24, 150. 50. 24, 154. We'll do that one. Target 24, 170. 30 points. Let's go. Definitely not on two ticks too much. Climbing out of the $1,000 so far. I didn't trade it all that much, but anyway, fuck it. Pass is the pass. We are Let's see how far we away from where our target is. Target is 1 second. All right, so we are at what 24,190 now. 24,190. Next target is 24,239. 24,239. So let's get to. All right, next target 24,239. Upside. Let's see now. Upside 24,379. We're going back for this for the top. 24, 24,500. All right, so that's what we're going for now. Actually, we should go for 24,375. 24,375. Let's go for 24,375. 24,220 is up ahead. 24,235. 245. All right, where are we at on here? We're at 24,367. All right, 24,367. Let's shoot for 24,367. 24,184. Should I just go for 100 points? 24,284. 357 is the target. All right, we're shooting right there. Shooting below 357 is what I feel like it should go to. Probably gonna pull back, get some gas, go back down to 24,120 or so, and then bounce back up. I'm gonna take that 64 right quick. See we tracing. I got me in a shitty position. All right, so we're at 24,202. 4,400. Yeah, see, I should have waited. Let that settle out a little bit. Anyway, 24,400 we're shooting for now. What did I say? 24,3 something. I think it was the 4 hour target is what I was looking at. Yeah, 24,344. 24,362. All right, so 24,340. 24, 340. We'll go right here. 535. Yeah. Two. All right, let's go. See if we can keep getting this work, yo. Keep getting this work. Climbing out of the hole. I gotta stop getting in the hole first of all, but so what the idea is to get back up here. We get to 24, 335. That'll put us green for the day. Target back to the upside for the gap fill. Gap fill's 24, 500. All right, let's go. Stock. Stocks 5150. Stocks are crazy. Yeah, down 128 now on the day. Let's look at that. I had that big 580, 590 loss, and a 326 loss. So what I'm trying to say is if I take my time and just trade like I'm supposed to, man, I would be killing it. Instead of doing dumb stuff in the beginning, gambling and YOLO and bullshit. That being said, we're going back to the upside and our target is still gonna be we're gonna look at this on the 1 hour right quick when it comes up. Um, Target is back to the upside though. Hold on a second, waiting for my data, for my chart to load. All right, on the 4 hour, come on, give me something. It's taking forever for my chart to load up now. Loading, hurry up, let's go. Man, I'm missing money now. And you see, I did that flatten, and flatten always flatten is just like doing market orders. It gives you the worst possible position. Yo, what is this thing's deal? It's not giving me. There it is. Damn. Anyway, so we're here. Mm. So anyway, we're gonna okay. Good, great. I'm just jerking around now for some reason. All right, so where we at right now is at 206, 269. We're at 269. We're gonna trade back to the upside, which was this was a gap down. So we're gonna trade back to the upside to the top of this candle. So we're gonna go for 498. So we're at 262, 262 right now. Let's zoom in a little bit, but we're going top side is gonna be like 500, 498 or something like that. So let's go 5 minutes and see where we're gonna enter at. Probably should be expecting a pullback. So that's what we messed up. We lost that because we were trying to counter trend. So anyway, we play this from the bottom to here. So this could be actually the base of this right here could be where we stay at for the rest of the night. And then maybe we get fill it up or we pull back. Remains to be seen. Right now, we're still under the 200, above the 48, above the 14. It's on the 5 minute. On the 15 minute, where are we at? On the 15, like I said, this could be we just back here and we just stay at this range right here. On the 15, we're at the 48. So we could play to the upside to 200 on the 15 minute. So we can go with two right quick. Get two, go long, 74. Look like we're going without me. One to 300. Oh yeah, we're not gonna get back down there. We could. That's not what we're gonna wait for. All right, here we go. 94. Yeah, 74. Looks like we've been bouncing and holding the 14. So let's see if we can get this one. Come down and catch this 48. Back to the upside. 89. Going for 78 or so. 80. 90. 24 278 is what I got my order in for. Really, she could just go for 280. All right, let's see. There it goes. 280. We'll probably break down to there through the 14. Almost one more push. 4, 3, 2. Come on. 81. Here it comes. Getting close. Very interesting. Super close. Wick pushing back down. We're going for 100, so we're just gonna go ahead and get that one. Nah, here we go. Let's wait. Let's see the push down. We curl over. Get this little push down. Come down to the 48. What do they call? Don't be a prick for a tick. Don't be a prick for a tick. But here we go. Touch it. Let's go. 84, 82. Let's go. Come on. 82, 80, 80, 80, 80. Damn it. That's crazy. Went right down to it. Huh. It's got to go through it to get to it though. 91. All right. So this will be the push down. This to get it to me right here. But in that being said, it looks like we're heading down now, trending down. 90. We're not even catching it no more. All right, this will be it. Get close. Let's get it. 81 push. 83, 82. That's crazy. I'm chasing it now because I want to get it. All right, there you go. What do we get? 83. And then it breaks down below, of course. All right, that being said, 83. So now upside target is going to be, what do we say? Well, I went to the 2 hour chart, but upside target will be 500. All right. So upside target 500. This is on the 2 hour, shooting for the upside to the 500. So we're going to shoot for 480. Keep this on the 4 hour chart. The 4 hour one is the one I was looking at earlier. 4 hours, 414. 414. 414 to the upside. We're at 300 right now. And we're green on the day now. So funny. All right, so at any rate, 414. What that's at 394. All right, we'll go for 400. Upside. Bam. All right, that's our target right there. See if we can get it. Like I said, I fell in the hole. It's almost like I don't know what kind of craziness that is, but yeah, fall in the hole and then trade my way out of it. Like I need some kind of challenge or something. Just make the money. That would I could have made 1,000 if I'd have traded the right way the first time. But one, I got to start stopping when I'm too far down. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, $40 a day. Let's go. But we're in this trade right here. We're going to the upside on the 4 hour. So we'll revisit this at about 6 o'clock. We'll be back. All right, stocks 5150. Stocks crazy. This grown people stuff is still on. So, well, let's talk about it. What do we have? We had an order. Oh, it did hit. What? What? It worked out. Are you crazy? God is good, yo. Look at what, boy. All right. Well, we're on the 4 hour, and we did put an order in for it to close out at. We went at the 14, 24, 3 something. And we can see here our P&L for the day is 433. Crazy work. Let's go. This is why I ain't stopped trading yet. Because stuff like that can happen. You know what I'm talking about? I mean, bro, I wake up and I got $433. We done for the day. Honestly, that's it. No more trades. No more trades. All right, let's talk about it. We're gonna talk about it. Um, yeah, let's talk about it. Let's go to the that's crazy work. It actually so we're on the way up. We're back to closing that gap. Man, that's wild. I feel good. I feel good. Yay, yay, yay. What do you got over here? All trades work. Woke up all green. All right, so let's talk about it. What happened? Last night. Last night, right? Remember, first of all, this is my first time trying to go live on TikTok. YouTube, thank you. I've been going live on YouTube, but I've been wanting to stream on multiple at the same time. So because I've been trying to do that, that's what I've been doing. So, um, if we look here, let's see, we go down here. You can see at 7:31 p.m. I bought two contracts, went long, and I held them. I could go a little further because I think I did do a little better earlier. No, March 8th. Yeah, no. Yeah. I got on here at 7:30, 7:33, 31 p.m. Let me see, it's still 7 days, so I can make sure that I'm on the right stuff. March 8th. Yeah, March 8th. So starting, that was March 8th. All right, yeah. So it's 7:31 p.m., March 8th. What I did was bought two contracts, and that's when I was supposed to just be talking about the market, but that's the thing, man. I have a hard time staying out of it. So anyway, I bought two contracts and 731. And those joints did not work out. Bought two NQs and I held them. I went long and look at that. I held it. See, this is the purpose why I need to have a stop loss. Why I need to like either if it gets to 100, I need to stop or what. I need to put a stop loss in. Like for real. Because I sat there and let that get to $500 down, which is insane. So anyway, so then I finally cashed it out. I closed it at what? So for 2 hours, and so I'm down to at 9:07 p.m. 2100. I'm down $500, right? So then I go right back in and I go short. So what do? Go long at the top and short at the bottom. You know what I'm saying? I need to make that the title of this video. Long at the top, short at the bottom. That's what I need to do. So anyway, but at 2108, we went short and we got those two quick. Boom, boom. That was $8. So now what I'm doing is confidence building. I can't lie. And also I should say disclaimer. I was trying to figure out how to use this TikTok thing, how to set that up so I can stream on both platforms. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm gonna start doing. So got that. That was green. That was good. Confidence builder. Went back in again. I went long at 2108. Right back in. These two I held again for about an hour. Well, about 50 minutes, and I had to give it up. 300. I gotta really start cutting these at like maybe 100 or so. Yeah, because I get in there and I get to telling myself it's gonna turn around because I was trying to counter trend trade. I was trying to do it, and sometimes you have the right idea, but just the wrong time or at the wrong time. All right, so it was continuing to fall. So then I get out, and here I went long again at 24,025. So I'm trying to catch the bottom now, right? You know what I'm saying? I'm at the bottom. So this is at 1017, 2217. So I keep those till 10, 19, 10, 21, 21. Yeah. So boom. I get out of those $44. Remember, I'm only supposed to try to make $40 a day. So I did a base hit, boom, got 40. So now I'm even. I got two big losses and two little base hits. And I'm not even as in that. I mean even as in I got two losses on my trades and two wins. All right. So then I go back in, I buy two, and I get those at 22.22. And then I remember I was like, well, boom, got green again at 22.23. So 1 minute. I'm green again. All right. So I got that. That was another $30, 16 each one. All right. So that's at 22.23. So now I'm at the bottom. So this is when I'm like, okay, so now I'm at the bottom. We're at 24,044. Hit it again. And I go short. So this is what I was talking about going short at the bottom, long at the top, because I was long at the top earlier. Earlier in the day, I was long at the top. That's how I kept ending up with that those losses, those 300. I need to do better, be more patient, and I need to have a stop loss, like I really do. Or I don't know, I need to do something better. It's definitely gambling, but I ain't lying about it. I'm gambling. Anyhow, so then what did I do? Oh, at 10:30, got those two, bought two. So those two, I went short. Sorry, I went short at the top, and then yeah, it was 10, 20, 24. All right, boom. And then went long again. Because now what I'm trying to do is counter trend because I'm at the bottom and I'm like, I would like to trade up. And you can look at the previous video. And I was like, I like to hold this because I felt like it was going to come back up. And I was like, I want that to be my, a huge trade. Just ride it. But pause. But that didn't work. I couldn't sustain it. So what I did was start keep hitting base hits. So hit green for that at 22.30 and I got $24, right? Boom, got out. All right, so then I went back in right away, 22.30, bought two more at 24,042, and then stayed in those for 12 minutes, 6 minutes. Sold those, got $71. Boom. All right, so we cooking with grease now, right? We doing good. So then at 10:36, I went back in again, went short. That's where at the bottom, remember? So see now I'm getting tricky again. I went short. And you see what happened? I went short at the bottom. And that wasn't good. So I went in 22.65. But this time you see what I did? I stayed true to what I recognized that I was going the wrong way. Because you in the wrong direction and you going the wrong way. And so then I cut that loss. So kudos to me. Excuse me, I'm just waking up. So kudos to me for making an adjustment because I could have held that 24,064. And I mean, if I'd have held it all night, it would have worked out because here we are at 24,000 even again. Oh, 24,400. Okay, so yeah. No, it would not have worked out. Take that back. All right, so 24,074. I reversed. I cut that loss. Took a $38 loss. So okay. So now that was at 1046. I went back in. I reversed it and 2474. So now I'm like, okay, we're going back up, back to the original one trade to the upside, going long. And that one at 2246 stayed in it for 10 minutes. 2240 set my target, base hit, got it $400. Boom, looking good. Then I went back in. I went short. I bought two more at 2256 right away because continuing on the momentum, it's still going up. 2256 and right here, yeah, and kept that one only a minute, only would kept that like 15 minutes, yeah, 20 minutes, and small base hit, boom, $28, got out. Was starting to slow down a little bit, so then I waited a little bit. No, I went right back in, bought two more. It's now doing base hits. All right, so time now is 22:15. Got two more. And you see how much contracts cost, like they're a dollar or something. $2, a dollar 34, whatever. You buy two or whatever. So, well, it's 60 cents, 67 cents for one contract. And the commission. The setting commission is 75 cents and the actual fee is 67. But I'm buying two at a time. All right, so anyway, I got that one at 23:15, and that's to the upside. I went long. My target was 24, 122, and look at 22:17, which is 2 minutes later. Boom, base hit, 60 cents, $70. Got it. Well, less the fee, 67. Got it. All right, so that worked out. Now it's 23:17. Go back in, continue. We're at 24:16. This time I said target, same thing, upside, and we got to at 12 o'clock midnight, 12:07, bam, we hit for $60. We got them. Got it again. All right, so now I remember I had my show. I was watching War Machine on Netflix. So shout out, that was pretty good. Pretty good. I gotta pull that movie off. They should make a part two, I would imagine, but it'll probably be corny. But anyway, it was good to watch. So anyhow, yeah, timing is everything, basically. So anyhow, at midnight, 12:07, those two positions came through, 24, 132.5, so target acquired, and we got $60 off of that, off those two contracts. All right, so then I looked at it, made a assessment, still going up. So we go long again at 24, 124. This time the target is 24, 150. We're targeting 30 points. Bam, hit it at 121. So what's that? An hour and 20 minutes later, got 121. All right, so now hit that and we go right back in because we're continuing, making an assessment. 24, 184. Boom, at 125. Like 3 minutes later, we got it again. 30, so $60. Bam. All right, so then this is it's March 9th now, like I said. It's 125, and I remember being like, yeah, I'm tired. I'm gonna go to sleep. So I went in one more, and I was like, I'm gonna buy two more, and I'll go a little longer. 24, 202, and I held it for 50. So 24, 252, target hit, boom, $200. So now we're at the point where we're even. Like I had the $500 loss and the $300, where I refused to cut those losses in a couple swings. And I traded my way back out of that hole. So I was down 1,000 and traded my way back out of that overnight. Okay, so now we go back in again right before I go to bed. So at 2:15 a.m., 0200, bought two, 283.5, and this was what I said. I was like, I looked at the chart and I was like, I'm gonna play up to the gap fill, not all the way to it, but just up to the top of the move. And then at 5:21, excuse me for yawning, but it's 8 o'clock in the morning. And you can see I've been up all night trading. So, and at 5:21, boom, target hit 24,399 for 465, giving me a total. Oh wait, that's for the week. Let's see, do it. What do I have a total for the day? Giving me a total for the day of 433 minus the fees, 330. Cause ain't nothing free. But what I'm trying to say is this: where else can you go and actually make mistakes all night? Like go wrong. I literally started off the day. I started off the day. I would like. I need to figure out how I can have this thing set up to where where it shows my trades on the chart. I wonder if I could do that. But where else can you go where you can make mistakes and be wrong other than being a weatherman? And it always, you climb yourself, pull yourself back out of the hole. And that's why I hadn't stopped trading futures yet, even though I keep telling myself I'm gonna stop. I mean, like I literally was down, but yeah, that thesis worked. Cause see, I was gonna play this to the upside. It's a gap now, and I was like, this is where I lost. So we started here, and I was trying to go up, and I was trying to counter trend, and I lost, 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 lost. Hit down here at the bottom. So seeing it on the chart, boom, boom, boom. I think I can show them on here. Let me see something. Uh, Trading. Show open positions, executions. There it is. Bam. I can show it on the chart. So yeah. See what I'm saying? So here we go. And then there it is. Those are the moves. And yeah. And I was losing, 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 losing. But then I get down here to the bottom because I was trying to counter trend. You see, so I went long here, and you see that right there. I held that one, and that was that huge long bought long right there at 24,265, and that did not work out. Then I had to give it up, and then I went long again, thinking I was at the bottom, and I wasn't. So those two right there kind of screwed me, but now it worked out. But what my thesis is I was figuring that we would come back up for pre-market. At best case, I remember saying we'll come here and be even with the beginning of what post-market was, and I figured when we open, we'd open here. All right, and look where we are. Look where we are. Opening here, just above it. I gotta love this stuff, man. So I'm looking at this on the 4 hour. Show you what I was doing. Look at that. That boy good. Yeah. Stocks are crazy. That's what I was looking at too. I was looking at the 4 hour time frame. So we had the gap down, came down, and what my thought was that so I went long right there, and you see we continue to go down. So I lost that money. That's where I was losing at. But then it got down here, and actually we actually made a new bottom too, mind you. We have not been this low where we went to. So we broke through those lows that we had earlier, which were the February low. That's where we were at. We had touched that twice. We were at the Feb or 3 times. So now we're down here below the the November low. So now we formed a new low. and we're on a November low now. So, which this right here, so this was the new low. That puts us back here. Well, it's a new low, so it don't put us back nowhere. It's just that was a new low, so it puts in here. So now we're closer to these areas. So if we drop any more, these could be targets at 23,500. But anyway, for yesterday and for last night, I was expecting, even when I did these trades, I was like, okay, we'll fill this gap, at least play to the top part on the 4 hour. And it ended up working out like it literally did. And that was my last trade. You see right there, boom, hit target, bam. And now we are done for the day. Like I said, my goal is to make $40 a day on a trade just to go small because that'll be $10,000 a year. And it's cool. Like got a job and I'm allowed to do this. But we went hard, son. You know what I'm saying? And what up? What's this? Oh, speaking TikTok now. What up, Earl? Aaron King Chai. Appreciate you. Anthony David, what up? What up? Oh, what's this? Gold 343498. Thanks for the join. Spank, Spank Master 30. Yeah. I like that name. Spank Master 30 in the house. Shout out, shout out. Nara Jaw. Thank you. Nana Jaw. Nana y'all. Sorry. I need to get some better glasses, man. Try to tell y'all. Nana y'all. And excuse me if I say this wrong, but Young Gwen. What up, Gwen? Yeah. Um, and yeah, that's a lot. I can't say that one. But Carvish Cook number 9. Appreciate you. DJ Music. Shout out. What up? Thank you. KK. What up? Drake joined. What up? And Sigma joined. What up? Dave. What up? So look, we made our moves, man. Y'all late to get here. It's cool, but we made our moves, made our money. We only needed to get $40 a day, and as you can see here, I pretty much traded all night, and then I lost. I had two big losses. I had said recap right quick. I had two big losses, and then I just boom boom, got it all back. And it was controlled chaos, I should say. You know what I'm saying? Stocks are crazy. It was controlled craziness. It wasn't like I was just YOLOing. I mean, I do YOLO a lot. I do YOLO, and I do tend to hold on to trades a little too longer than I need to. I definitely got to work on that, but overall, that worked out. Like I said, it's the time is 8 a.m. It's pre-market. Um, and that's that, man. So I'm a log off. I ain't even gonna keep this up. I'm gonna log off, and I might come back and log in, and we just watch the charts. But yeah, made that $400. You know what I'm saying? Target acquired, yo. Target acquired. It's all good. It's really all good. So that's the proof right there. So I'm gonna be like transparent too. If I lose, I lose. If I win, I win. If I hit, I hit. If I miss, I miss. You know what I'm saying? Because what difference does it make? So stocks 5150. Appreciate everybody stopping by. And there you go. I gotta get ready. I gotta go get it. Got somewhere to go. Hey, hey, hey. The world is yours. Wake up. Wake up. Get this money. Yeah. It's time to get up. Money. Let's get this money. Wake up. Let's get this money. Hey, hey. You're blessed. Yo, yo, yo. And you all are blessed, man. I gotta say that. Whoever you believe in, you are all blessed because we woke up this morning. We are alive. God is good. And, Man, all I gotta say is stocks are crazy, yo. You know what I'm saying? And we are at 24,408 right quick. And thanks. I'm gonna see something. Let's see what happened. Stop that. All right, so I'm gonna sign off on YouTube. I'm gonna see if it'll sign off on the TikTok.